20 habits that can fix 90% of your problems. The beauty of life and the joy of each moment of existence are undeniable, but one should constantly be prepared to face difficulties and challenges. Since life is not linear, it has many difficulties and challenges. A person who has never struggled in life will never be successful. A person's courage, patience, endurance, and true character are put to the test by difficulties. The first step in winning the battle is to get better at solving difficulties. People who excel at overcoming obstacles in life perform better and lead more fulfilling lives. Life's challenges arise at many phases, but the majority of them fall into one of the following categories: financial, health, relationship, career, work, or purpose. Life challenges should not stop us from becoming better versions of ourselves. Here are 20 important habits that can solve most of your problems. Number 1. Make it a habit to list all of your difficulties every week, or at least once a month. It's the best method for locating the challenges we have in life, and the most straightforward way to resolve them. When you write something down, you are more inclined to deal with it. Half of your problems will be resolved if you are aware of them. Number 2. Create a priority list for your problems. Because not every problem is significant, if you don't understand the gravity of problems, you won't be able to resolve it. While some might seem important, they can still be addressed later. List your challenges in life in order of priority. Making a priority list of problems will solve it quickly. Number 3. Problem solving is a mental game. The way you handle each situation can help you be ready for the next one. Many people get carried away with the problem, and instead of understanding it, they get stuck. So, building a resilient brain is beneficial. According to Irving Berlin, life is 10% what you created, and 90% how you take it. Number 4. Future events will always be unpredictable. Better still, set up an automated investment of a tiny portion of your present income so that you don't have to worry about it each month. A systematic invest plan every month will not only help you to build wealth but also create a corpus for any uncertainty in future. Number 5. Invest in skills that will make you valuable in the future if you are concerned about losing your current source of income. Technology and other aspects are changing quickly, so make lifetime learning a habit, and you'll learn something new almost monthly. Eric Butterworth advises, don't go through life, evolve through life. Number 6. Consider the portfolio career to increase your sources of revenue. Applying your knowledge in a variety of methods, such as side projects, consultancy, writing, and commercial products, will increase your income. Find the skills that will help you succeed in life and invest the time necessary to learn them. Number 7. Forecast your financial future by investing in worthy projects that provide you the freedom to exercise your area to explore. It makes it possible to earn more money in the future. Number 8. The world and technology are changing rapidly, so career struggle is also real. Identifying at least 2 areas where you can improve and seeking out the finest books and resources to get things right as soon as possible are 2 ways to develop and prepare yourself for best career in future. Number 9. Learn to take more breaks. Start reducing your obligations. Organize your schedule. Focus on one task at a time. Make modest goals. Use brief to-do lists, and work with your body by producing your best work when you are most active if you feel overburdened by your workload. Number 10. Our bodies are constantly at work. Making time to refresh, refuel, and maintain your physical and mental health is imperative at all times. It's among the finest strategies to prevent a health emergency. Number 11. The pursuit of ideal health goals can be hampered by life. Being inactive is risky and bad for your health. Include a little stroll in your daily plan to lower stress and enhance mental clarity. Number 12. Be more mindful of everything you do. The best approach to prevent worry from controlling your life is to do it. Everything else ceases to exist in the present moment while you are in flow. You can improve your presence at home and at work. Moments, not days, are what we remember, said Cesare Pavese. Number 13. It is very important to have a proper schedule for everything, so create systems for basically all of your activities. If you are passionate about writing and wish to write each day, find the most effective time to write, and create a space in your home that encourages it. Any procedure should be automated and consistent. Number 14. If you are willing to go to gym and work out, then to make it effective, start small. Do it every week on the same day at the same time to establish a habit. Likewise, you can create a music playlist for your workout. It is essential to enjoy the process. Make it enjoyable so that people will look forward to it. Number 15. Give great sleep the same priority as your upcoming, life-changing assignment. Your focus, concentration, and mental clarity will decrease without appropriate pauses, proper downtimes, and improved sleep. Today we often ignore our sleeping habits, which can create many problems. Number 16. Do you feel like life has no meaning and not able to cope with situations? List all the things at work and at home that make you feel alive and eloquent as a meaning exercise. Make time now to perform more of them. They are the indicators of a life with purpose. You will do wonders. Number 17. Not every issue in life can be resolved. A pandemic, the state of the economy, and what other people do, believe, and say are some issues outside of our control. Avoid worrying about them and focus on yourself. Number 18. You have no influence over how other people act, no matter how hard you try. Concentrate on your mentality, your own habits, and the things you can actually change. Number 19. Be flexible in your approach to problem solving. Don't assume that solving one problem will solve another. What worked before might not work right now. Improve your perspective and thinking to handle life's challenges in better ways. Number 20. Although the past might offer insightful guidance, avoid using it to address present-day issues. Whatever you do, look for different ways to solve the numerous issues in your life. Make it a habit, and you'll always find forward-looking solutions to your current problems. At the end, we would say, be responsible for your life. Issues, challenges, or setbacks are not inevitable. It is more important that how we solve and handle our problems than how often they occur in life. A positive attitude in solving problems will go a long way. Every difficulty contains the potential for growth. To overcome the toughest obstacles in life, find them and use them. And keep in mind that life is a work in progress. As Jeff Rich once said, each accomplishment, whether big or small, informs our next step. Pick your words wisely. We hope these 20 habits will help you to resolve your problems quickly and make progress in future endeavors. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with friends so we can make more videos. Click the subscribe button to see more videos like this, And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.